Last year during the holidays, we did a holiday survival kit. And it was just a fun little kit that we put together to let families do herbal things together. Did you do one with your family?
No.
Oh. Well, we'll get you one this year. How about that? Hi, Doc Jones here from the HomGrown Herbalist School of Botanical Medicine. And I've got my sidekick, Isabel, my little granddaughter.
Hi.
Hi. And we wanted to show you some fun things. Last year, we put together the HomGrown Herbalist Holiday Survival Kit. And we've had a lot of people request that we bring that back. When I go to workshops and stuff, they say, hey, when are the holiday kits coming out? I want to do that again with my grandkids. And so we put them together again. And it's just a fun little kit with several projects in it that you can do with your kids or your grandchildren or whoever shows up at your house for the holidays to help them learn about herbal medicines and plus have some really fun things to do and some fun things to eat and drink, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Okay, so open that up, Isabel, and we'll see what we got in there. There you go. Okay, what's that?
It's a thank you note.
Oh, it's a little thank you note. For our great customers, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's also a little instruction booklet. And it says in here what we're going to make. So what are we going to make?
We're going to make elderberry syrup.
Elderberry syrup. That sounds good.
Gummy yummies.
Oh, what's a gummy yummy?
It's like a gummy, but it's yummy.
That's right. It's like a gummy, but it's yummy. And they're made out of herbs. And what does that say?
Lotion jar.
Lotion. We're going to make some lotion. Oops.
And cider wassail.
Cider wassail. That's right. And what is wassail?
It's a nice cider that's spicy.
Yeah, it's like a spicy, fun holiday cider, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Except this one's good for you and will fix your belly aches after you eat too much turkey on Thanksgiving. So that's good. All right. So what do we have in there else?
We got a video.
Oh, fun. A DVD showing you how to do all the projects, right? So you don't have to guess or make things up. You can just watch Doc Jones do it. And that's fun. And then we have the ingredients. So there's the wassail cider packet. What's that one?
This one's the lotion jar.
That's the lotion, and there's a little jar to put your lotion in after you make it.
Elderberry Gummy Kit.
Elderberry gummies. That sounds fun.
I'm going to grab these ones.
And what are those?
Cookie cutters, but they're for your gummies.
Cookie cutters for your gummies. That's right, little holiday gummy cutters. And your kids will love those, by the way. They are really good and good for them. And then what's that?
This is Rest Easy.
Rest Easy. So Rest Easy is a formula that we're just throwing in. We're throwing in 2 tinctures to get you through the holidays. One is our famous cold away formula. In case anybody starts getting the sniffles or sneezing and coughing. Does that ever happen at your house during the holidays? I'll tell you, that happens at my house during the holidays. You get all those little goobery grandkids and they want to kiss you and it's a disaster, right?
Yeah.
So get some cold away and drink that and you'll survive the grandkids. And then we have the Rest Easy. And the Rest Easy is, it's a great formula for helping you get to sleep at night. It's also very good for pain and some other things. But that's fun. So we got everything we need for that little kit to do those projects. So we hope that you enjoy that. And we're going to show you another little kit that we've put together. Let's make this one go away.
Let's go bye-bye.
Goodbye. It was nice visiting with you. But now you have to go away. All right. Grab one of those. What does that say?
That one's
Essential Lotion Experience. Wow. See if we can get that bow off of there. Or string. Okay. Open that one up. So this is another little kit that we've put together new for this year. It's called the Essential Lotion Experience. And it's just a wonderful little kit to get you started on how to make lotions for your family. And it includes, again, instructions on how to do everything. And it's very simple. Making these lotions is simple. And it will include also a video instruction on how to do all the projects, okay? But we have here several different lotions. One is a what we call Save Your Skin. It's just a skin lotion for just about anything wrong with your skin. Rashes, little cuts and sores, best thing in the world for diaper rash, right? My little nephew, Henry, came down the stairs the other day. He's about 2. Did you hear about this?
Yeah.
He came down the stairs and he says, "Mom, my bum's real sore. I need some of that Opa's bum sauce for my bum," right? So we were going to call it Opa's bum sauce, but they thought Save Your Skin might be better. But anyway, we've got that. We've got the coconut oil that you need to make your lotions. We've got the beeswax. We've got a little jar to put your lip balm in that you're going to make. We've got a jar to put your lotion in. And then we've got some essential oils. All right?
Can I see what they are?
Yeah, what does that say?
That one's pure essential oil.
Of what?
Lavender.
Lavender, that's fun. And what's this one?
Orange.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Right. Something like that, right?
Orange.
And there's some straining cloths and everything you need to be able to make these fun lotions. And we hope you enjoy that too. It's just a great thing. And when you're all done, you got a great couple of lotions you can use on yourself. And we have several different flavors. We've got one is the Save Your Skin lotion. We have another one for joints, for joint pain. And then we have another one for itch, for psoriasis or rashes or itchy skin, right? So anyway, that's the Essential Lotion Experience. And we hope you enjoy that one too. But this is Doc Jones and Isabel, right? Hi again. And we just want to wish you happy holidays from HomGrown Herbalist. And thanks for supporting us this year and for being such great friends.